Those not ready for the bright noon gathered here beneath the moon. It's dark, scary, painful here. I sit among them, holding dear the silence. I don't say you must, I don't preach, up there is trust. I just sit quietly nearby. There is no other salvation lie. Left a guy 25 years old, lost his job, himself untold. Right, a girl who can't sleep tight inside a quiet hidden fight. Opposite, an old man, no son, stares at the fire, says nothing, none. Someone has a bottle of wine, someone has a soul in decline. Bonfire on the outskirts of the town, where houses end, where darkness down. We sit around, young and old, who went mad, who lost control. Bonfire on the outskirts, a place where you can be silent, save your face, where shadows don't hide. Honestly, where pain turns into community. Someone starts singing without words, just pulling a note like migrating birds. Someone joins and ready stands, a choir of those with empty hands. Not those in houses by the window pane, cooking dinner, watching the screens rain. But here, only wind, only firelight, only those caught in the trap of night. I look at them and see myself 10 years ago on the shelf. 20, 30, same pain, same fear, love in the night that won't disappear. But it ended, I am here. I sit with them, warm hands near. I don't say it passes, I am present, and that seems to be sufficient. Bonfire on the outskirts of the town, where houses end, where darkness down. We sit around, young and old, who went mad, who lost control. Bonfire on the outskirts, a place where you can be silent, save your face, where shadows don't hide. Honestly, where pain turns into community. Morning bonfire burns to ash, people scatter in a dash. Someone leaves, someone stays put, someone whispers, thanks Brother Root. I stand last, stomp the embers down. In the sky, a light stripped dawn's crown. I know some of these folks today will see noon or not anyway. It doesn't matter, matter is we were sat together, warmth to stir. Bonfire cooled, we drifted away, but in each of us embers stay. Embers glow in each of us.